Now we're going to solve problems 71, 73, 75, and 77 on page 103. Starting with 71. A bubble rises through water at a rate of about 1 1500 feet per second. How far will the bubble rise in 5 seconds? So, in order to solve this problem, you're going to make equation 5, which is how many seconds, so that's the time, times feet per second, so that's the rate, because the time times the rate is going to let us know the distance. So 5 times 1.15 equals, and you can do this on your calculator, 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2, 5 times 1 is 5, so 7. So the answer is going to be 5 75/100 feet. That's 71. Okay, 73. So 73 is use simpler shapes to write an algebraic expression that represents the area of the trapezoid. So I'm going to rewrite the shape on my paper because obviously I don't want to write in the book. So I'm going to make a trapezoid. And it doesn't look really pretty, so I'm sorry about that. And this is 2x, 9x minus 4. Okay. Okay, so I've split the trapezoid into a rectangle and a triangle. This is 90-degree angles as well. So we know that the area of a rectangle is length times the width, so 2 times 2x is going to be the area of this. And then we have to add that. We're adding that to the area of this triangle. And we know that the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times the height. So it's going to be 1/2 times, so the height we know is 2, times, this is the length of this small bit is going to be this long bit minus this 2x. So 9x minus 4 minus 2x. Okay, equals. So this is a really long equation, and we need to simplify it because it's way too long. So the first part we can simplify is this part, because 2 times 2x, that's 4x. 1/2 times 2, well, those just cancel each other out, because 1/2 times 2 is just 1. So we're left with 9x minus 4 minus 2x. 9x minus 4 minus 2x. Okay, so we know that 9x minus 4x is 7x. So 4x plus 7x minus 4. And so we don't need these parentheses anymore. 4x plus 7x is 11x. And minus 4 is just minus 4. So the answer is 11x minus 4. If you have any questions about that one, just write it in the comment section. Okay, so now 75. Oops, sorry. 75. A person's monthly cost for satellite television service is $D. What is the annual cost? Okay, so we know annual means yearly. There's 12 months in a year. So the annual cost, if it's $D per month, is going to be 12 times D. So 12D is going to be the answer to number 75. And last but not least, number 77, for this section anyway, the height of the rectangular picture frame is 1.5 times the width. So the height is 1.5 times the width. The height. So I'm going to draw the picture again on a different piece of paper. And so here's W for the width, and 1.5W is the height. W and 1.5W. What is the perimeter? Okay, so as we know, the perimeter is the sum of the measure of the sides. So W plus W, or 2W, plus 2 times 1.5W. Write that down. So 2W plus 2 times 1.5W. And then we can simplify this. 2W plus 2 times 1.5 is 3W. And 2W plus 3W equals, whoops, sorry. 2W plus 3W equals 5W. So the answer is 5W to 77.